Welcome to CAD MAFIA. Today we are going to learn another simple basic model of control bracket in SolidWorks as shown in this picture. Let's start. Select new, click on part and click OK. Now go to apply scene and click on plain white and go to option, select document properties and click on image quality and drag it to high and click OK. First we need to draw the cylindrical portions. Let's select top plane and click on sketch. Now draw this. We need to draw this circle first, which diameter is 90 mm. Let's draw a circle here. Okay, and this circle, inner circle diameter, this is 66 mm. Draw another circle here, and this boring diameter, this is 44 mm. Let's draw another circle here and give dimensions. The outer circle diameter, this is 90 mm and this is 66 mm, and this boring hole diameter, this is 44 mm. Okay, now exit the sketch, go to features and click on Extruded Boss. Now simply select this face and the total thickness of this is 50 mm. Let's take it 50 and click OK. Okay, select the sketch again and go to Extruded Boss. Now select this inner face and from this face to this face, this is 90 mm. So from bottom, this distance is 50 minus 19 and click OK. This is 31 mm. Okay, now we have to draw these portions. Okay, let's select this bottom face and click on sketch. Now first draw a center line here. Okay, now here is a hole which diameter is 13 mm and this arc radius is 15 mm. Let's draw two circles here. Okay, and give dimensions. The inner circle diameter is 13 mm and this outer circle diameter, this is 15 into 2. Okay, and from this center to this whole center distance is 60 mm. It's give this is 60 mm. Okay, now activate line command and draw a vertical line from this point to this point. Right click, select. Now select this line and go to mirror and mirror about through the center line. Click OK. Now activate line command and draw a tangent line from this point to this point. Sorry, skip it. Activate line command and draw a line from here to here. Okay, right click. Now select this circle and click on convert entities. Now activate trim command and trim these portions. Okay, now give dimensions. From this edge to this center point distance is 30 mm. So this point to this center line distance, this is 30 mm. Okay, now trim these portions. So click OK. Now select this line and go to mirror and mirror out through this center line. and click OK. Now exit the sketch. Sorry, we have to trim the circles rest portions. Okay, click OK. Now go to features and click on Extruded Boss. First you need to select this face and this face. Click on opposite direction, and this is total 8 mm of thick. Take it 8 mm. Click OK. Now select the sketch again and go to Extruded Boss and select this face and click on opposite direction. The total thickness is 16 mm. Take it 16 mm and click OK. Now we have to mirror this face, these portions. Okay, let's select front plane and go to mirror, and now select features to mirror and click on Boss Extruded 3 and Extruded Boss 4 and click OK. Now this portion is ready. Now we have to make these portions. Let's select front plane and click on sketch. Now first we need to draw 2 circles. Let's activate circle command and draw 2 circles here and give dimensions. This outer circle diameter, this is 25 mm, and this inner hole diameter, this is 15 mm. Let's give it. This is 25 mm and this is 15 mm. Okay, and from this bottom to the center line distance is 20 mm. From this bottom to the center distance is 20 mm. Okay, and from this center to this center, this is 70 mm. Select this point and this point, this is 70 mm. Okay, now activate line command and draw a line from here. Sorry, draw a tangent line from here to this point and here to here. Right click, select. Now exit the sketch, go to Extruded Boss and select mid plane and select this face, and this thickness is, this is 8 mm as shown, 8 mm. Okay, select the sketch again, go to Extruded Boss and select this face, and the total thickness, this is 15 mm. Check it, this is 15 mm and click OK. Okay, this portion is also ready. Now okay, now I have to draw these portions. From this face to this face, this is 13 mm, distance is 13 mm. So we have to take a plane. Let's go to reference geometry, click on plane, and now select this face and click on flip offset, and this is take. Okay, this is 13 mm. Okay, now select this plane and click on sketch. First we have to draw a center line here. Right click, select. Okay, now go to straight slot and draw a straight slot here. Okay, give dimensions. From this center to this center, distance is 75, and from this point to this point distance is 35 mm. That's from this point to this point, this is 75 mm, and from this point to this point, this is 35 mm. Okay, and the radius of this slot is 15 mm. This is 15 mm. Okay, here is another slot. Draw another slot here. Okay, and give dimensions. This is 17.5 mm of thick. 17.5. Okay, now activate line command and draw a line from here to here. Right click, select. Now select this line and go to mirror and mirror about through this center line and click OK. Now select this circle and click on convert entities. Can trim this rest part. Okay, exit the sketch and go to Extruded Boss. First select this face and click on blind and click on opposite directions. The total thickness is 12 mm. This is 12 mm of thick. Okay, select the sketch again and go to Extruded Boss. Now select this face and click on opposite direction, and thickness of this face is 6 mm. This is 6 mm. This is 12 mm and this is 6 mm. That means from click on offset and take it 6 mm and click on opposite direction and click OK. Now the design is ready. Just activate Del View Graphics. Okay, and change some color. Okay, now select this face and go to edit appearance and change some faces color and select this face, this face, this face, and this face also. Okay, this face, this face, this face, this face, and this back face also, and click OK. Okay, design is ready. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel to get more videos.